So you guys are in physics right now, and I am just going to start off with primitive ideas, and I'm just going to call them primitives. And the first primitive is position. The second one is going to be mass, and the third one is going to be time. So we have position here. We choose a unit of measure for position, and the unit of measure is going to be the meter. And for the mass, we are going to use we're going to use the kilogram. And for time, we're going to use the second. All right. So the system of units that we're going to use will be, we'll use two, but we're going to primarily use the MKS system. So it's also referred to as the SI system. And the M stands for meters, the K stands for kilogram, and the S stands for second for time. All right. You guys need some light to write with? Huh? You say you need some coffee? All right. Okay. All right. So when we think about position, we're thinking along these lines. We can have a point here or some object that's located at this point. Just say it's a box. And we move this object from one location to another location. Okay. And if we could formally specify where this box is located along this line, well, that's what we're trying to do. But if we can define some origin or some reference point here, some reference point, and that reference point is just going to be called 0. All right. And so from this location, the measure from 0 to the first point, we'll call that X naught, or the initial position. Okay. And then if we are going to measure to this point, we're going to call this X final, where that 0 represents some initial time. If I speak about initial or and final, I'm talking about initial time and final time. So at some point, sometime it was here, and at some later time or later time it was here. All right. So the measurement between these two, I feel like I should.